watch them fly. Just wait for it. They've been flying through here like crazy, even like buzzing my butt. I just had one buzz my butt and fly underneath the back of our car. It's still sitting there, just watching me, pecking at the ground. Like, I don't know, he's maybe 15 feet away from me, max. Like, they are just full of energy today. They're loving this fresh air. Warmer temperatures before it just plummets tonight. Oh, it just flew off. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. Like and subscribe below for more. Bye.